This is day 3 of opening Alpha Clash packs, and today we have Unrivaled. Will we get the Lin Epic? Let's see. Okay. We're starting up with Blazing Kagan, Barb Countermeasures, Mean Streak helping out, Shadowlight finding Equilibrium, Magnate Battle Ready, Kinetic Blast, Drug supporting the cause, one more, Torque Resilient Rampager. Let's see what we got. We have an uncommon, Magnate's Gamma Vice. Whoa, this looks really good. The last card is Mean Streak Quicker Than Quick. That's for day 3. See you tomorrow.